Hello, everyone. I am Ramtin Torjani, and today I'll be presenting the project of UOW Pioneers. The title is Analyzing the ESG Performance of Companies and Utilizing that for Linking the Firms to Responsible Individuals and Businesses. Our inspiration comes from industries that play a big role in our world. The things consumers want and need determine what producers make and how they make it. Suppliers try to make the most profit by finding cheap ways to produce goods. Unfortunately, this often leads to unethical practices that harm the environment and social behaviors. However, consumers have realized the importance of sustainability and they want businesses to do better. Many people are willing to pay for goods that are made in a more ethical and sustainable way, like Tesla's company. As you know, more than 80% of Tesla's customers, they're fan of Tesla not just because it's price or its affordability. It's mostly because of the it's being sustainable to the environment and not be harmful to the planet. And our group will focus on helping consumers find companies that care about social causes and produce goods in a responsible manner. So we will evaluate the production process based on various factors, mainly ESG. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance, which are important considerations to assess a company's sustainability and impact on society. Environmental factors like the factors show the resource usage, footprint, or waste management of a company, or the pollution control and their effort to address the climate change. And the social factors are, the social considerations involve how a company interacts with its employees, customers, suppliers, communities, and other stakeholders. And this includes a fair treatment of employees, employee well-being, and promoting diversity. At governance factors, governance refers to the rules, practices, and processes that guide a company's operations. And good governance ensures transparency, accountability, and ethical behavior. It involves aspects like board structure, executive compensation, shareholder rights, risk management, and the presence of independent directors. Uh, Corporate governance focuses on how companies are managed and controlled, setting the foundation for decision making, accountability, and oversight. And we have to not forget that good corporate governance practices include having a well functioning board of directors consisting of both independent and non executive directors, providing transparent and timely disclosure of financial performance strategies, and promoting ethics, integrity through a code of conduct and policies that prevent conflicts of interests and discourage corruption. In a new report, which is titled Beyond Compliance, consumers and employees want business to do more on ESG, has revealed some fascinating findings. According to the report, 83% of consumers think it's essential for companies to actively engage in ESG best practices, while 86% of employees prefer to support or work for companies that align with their values on these matters. The research panel also found that ESG is significant to consumers of all backgrounds, including different age groups, incomes, ethnicities, and regions. And this means that ESG considerations have an impact on products across different price ranges. Uh, and products that didn't have ESG related claims on their label grew on average 4.75 4.7% per year, while products that have ESG claims has got 6.4% in terms of the growth. And the problem statement in this project would be using AI in analyzing ESG performance of companies and utilizing that for linking those firms to responsible individuals and businesses. And in this project, we plan to create an AI model using Hugging Face technology and Python coding. The model will be deployed on AWS SageMaker, a widely used ML lifecycle management tool that integrates well with Hugging Face. Once deployed, the model will serve as a virtual assistant compatible with web, mobile apps, and other platforms as well. The key steps involved in building the AI model are as follows, which are create a dataset containing ESG data collected from various companies and stores, tokenize the dataset for natural language processing, and after that utilizing a pre-trained model from Hugging Face transformers, and fine-tune and train the model using our ESG dataset, and finally evaluating the model to assess its accuracy and confidence. Since we are using Hugging Face and focusing on building a virtual assistant, the AI model will mainly utilize natural language processing. Specifically, it will focus on the open domain question answering, where questions are answered based on a context. And in this case, our ESG dataset, and in this case, our ESG dataset, and the question answering will be of the extractive type and extracting answers directly from the given context. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much.